Hi, this is Skysketch. Today I prepared a very interesting video for you. Convert 2D to 3D lines. Learn this technique in order to stand out from the teacher and your classmate in class. As you know, I did this in a previous video like this sketch. Be sure to see it and practice it. Let's go to draw. I want to convert 2D lines into 3D sketches. After drawing the desired lines, we bring them down from the desired intersections. Watch carefully. This is very important part to see. This is very important part to see what I am doing. I draw the angles opposite to the upper angles. The design is finished and I will hatch it to make it more realistic or create shadows.